What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. You guys, last week in one of my locations, as I was leaving, I saw the new pop socket dupes. There's a few different varieties. If you guys have tried these, please let me know, because I am a super loyal pop socket fan. And if it's a close match, I might go ahead and try one, but I'm super loyal. So if any of you are also loyal to pop socket and have tried those, please let me know. We just have so many like summer colors. Earbuds, those look totally different, don't they? It's like a cloth, like a shoestring almost. Just in time for summer, the flashing LED wands. Here's some more of those pop sockets. Flamingos, palm trees, tropical leaves. And we have tons of new stuff over here. I love you to the moon and back. We have these new candle holders. They're really heavy. We have brand new hobnail candles. We have brand new glitter candles. These are also brand new. I thought there was one more color. We have salted seagrass, beachside breeze, and ocean mist. This is also new. I mean, it's such a great deal if you're into incense. We have all the incense here. We have the candle snuffers here. Those items would definitely cost more elsewhere. The super cute glass apples. If you missed my other video, please go back and watch it, because I shared new baskets. We have a few different shapes of golden baskets. They are metal baskets. This is really cute. Look at this, you guys. Sweet dreams. He makes all things new. Thinking of a master plan. Little plastic trinket trays. We have hello. We have never stop dreaming. Another hello. Dreamer. Mermaid off duty. These are also brand new. And they're really sturdy. You can put a picture in here or a piece of art, whatever you want. The quality of those is really nice. Home is where mom is. Love that. This one is also brand new. Darling, you're pure gold. Let's make a splash with the pom-poms. So cute. We have a let's go party. Let's see, do we have anything else? Let's make a splash. Did I show that one already? I believe in unicorns. I don't know, I might. I might just be sharing the same two over and over again. Life is meant to be lived. You did not wake up to be mediocre. These are cute. Look at these little mirrors. And they're kind of heavy. We also have the whale. Okay, let's see what else we have over here. We have Adventure is Calling. I've seen the Hello Love before. Yeah, these are really cute. Also, Out of Office is brand new. And I feel like I might have seen this before. Monday should be optional. I kind of like the whole clear vibe of this. Sarcasm welcome. Happy Ever After Begins. Laundry. I've shown these before. Oh my gosh, you guys. Flush. Fresh and clean, a laundry room, wash, dry, and fold. These are sort of a canvas. A laundry room, family owned. And then behind me, we have some pet items. We have these little pet mats. They're a hard plastic, little eating mats. And we have some new toys this week also. Metal bowls.
You should be on TV instead of here.
Well, I'm actually making videos for my YouTube channel because I do shopping videos. But thank you so much.
Yes, I mean, I was thinking, man, she's being wasted talking about animals and stuff.
Thank you. Okay, it looks like we have a few more new items here. Donuts, pineapples, gingham, cute little gingham prints. Those are all Type-C cables. Let's just take a peek over here. Wow, this location has a bunch of yarn. Excuse me. A lot of yarn. One of my other locations even had the chenille yarn, but this one just has the worsted yarn. All right, you guys, well, that's the end of this video. I think I'm gonna start another one, so definitely join me in my very next one. I'll be sharing even more new items here in Dollar Tree, name brand items, new items, whatever I can find that's new. I'm gonna share it with you guys. But all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.